Welcome to my channel! This is Gauri's Kids World. Let's learn and play together.
Welcome, little chefs. Aprons on. Let's cook together. Mix, mix, stir it round. Happy spoons make funny sounds. Flour dancing in the air. Yummy smells are everywhere. Little chefs, clap your hands. Cooking fun across the land. Stir the soup, bake the pie. Wave hello and smile so high. La la la, yum yum yum. Everyone can join the fun. Little chefs, 1, 2, 3. Cooking with our family. Red tomato, green pea, yellow corn says cook with me. Orange carrots, crunchy too. Healthy food for me and you. Roll the dough, nice and slow. Round and round, watch it grow. Sprinkle cheese, if you please, into the oven. 1, 2, 3. Little chefs, clap your hands. Cooking fun across the land. Bake a cookie, flip a cake. Every smile is ours to make. La la la, yum yum yum. Everyone can join the fun. Little chefs, 1, 2, 3. Cooking with our family. Strawberries, bananas sweet. Blueberries are such a treat. Mix a rainbow fruit delight. Healthy snacks are pure sunshine. Stir, stir, mix, mix. Clap, clap, spin, spin. Taste, thumbs up. Little chefs, hooray today. Learning while we laugh and play. Share your food, be kind and bright. Every meal is made with delight. Yum, 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 hip hooray. Little chefs have saved the day. Cook together, sing with glee. Best friends forever, you and me.
Thanks for watching! Here on Gauri's Kids World. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tap the bell icon.